Hello! We won some auctions again. So we're here to pick up the stuff that we won. Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so we're back at the Rabbit Barn, the Washington County Fairgrounds in Washington, PA. It's Sarah's favorite barn.
I love this barn.
She does. So we each won this time because I bid on some stuff and then Sarah on her own account bid on some stuff. So we actually are picking up 2 lots of things.
Double.
From the Rabbit Barn. So we're going to go in there and get our stuff. I'll give you a sneak preview like usual. Then we'll go over what we got when we get back to the house. Right?
Yeah.
Such a color commentator there. Hey! So, couldn't really film much in there. There was a lot of loud talkers. So, we're heading back to the house now. You can see behind me is a few things, including that.
I got such a good deal on this. $9. 3,000 sheets. It's my pride and joy right there.
So we're heading back to the house now. And we're probably going to go over all this stuff with you. Alright, so we're back home. And we've got the haul here. So we're going to go over that. So, starting off with a doll. Not a creepy doll for once. This is actually a Trump Plaza doll. I don't know if it's a souvenir or something from Atlantic City. It says limited edition on it. We looked up sold comps on them. People are trying to sell them for like $150. I don't know if anybody's getting it, but we paid $2 for it, so we're going to take the risk. And then we got some stock certificates, railroad stock certificates. These are worth a decent amount of money. And then Sarah took a risk on some matchbooks. I'm not sure if any of these are going to be worth a lot of money or not.
I'm just going to lock them all up.
We're going to lot them all up, though.
That's my plan for that.
Yeah. We got a 35th anniversary Care Bear. The box is in really bad shape. But even with the box in really bad shape, they're still worth about $40. So, you know how much we love the Cabbage Patch Kids. There's a Cabbage Patch koozie in the box. Kusa. We think it's a cat, but we're not sure.
Precious.
And then moving along, we got a box of random trinkets here. I don't know what is this?
Oh, that was they just called that old collectibles.
No, this. The balls.
Oh, that's a Heinz 57 condiment bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. I might keep it for myself, but it's cool because it has like the old like Heinz tomato soup, Henry J. Heinz like quote, and then little Heinz building. It was like literally this was $2. It's very nice.
And then we got some bowls.
Yes, these are Watt pottery. They're the hammered collection because they have hammering on them. See, hammered. Mm-hmm. Made in USA. You can put these in the oven. This has a price tag on for $75. I got it for $4.
Well, actually, you got that, and that for $4.
Yeah, I got them all. So I got a really good deal on these. This is like a slight crack in here, but I think that gives it character. Yep. So I'm going to put those on today.
Then we're going to address this.
We're going to address
This is a Nintendo Wii, which everybody's seen before. When these online auctions, sometimes these pictures are really sparse. So we got Mario Kart here, which isn't in there. That's good. And we got Mario Galaxy 2, which is in there. And then we've got the Wii. It isn't in there. Yeah.
It's not?
No, it's not.
That's so jacked.
So, and then we got the Wii. And this is the most disgusting Wii I've ever seen. Look at this plug. This plug was originally this color. So, it is like somebody smoked like 38 packs of cigarettes a day.
Right on.
Because look at like it's bad. So, I'm going to test it.
Sorry.
So I'm going to test it and see if it works and clean it up, and hopefully I can get some of this yellowing off of it. We've got the wheel for Mario Kart here, and then look at this. Like, look at this strap. It's disgusting. And then the buttons are all yellow on the Wii remotes. And I couldn't see any of this on the pictures. The pictures are kind of dark, and they never really take great pictures at auction. So, you know, you kind of take a little bit of a risk. But this is disgusting. Like, the box is yellow. So we're going to clean it up. I'll let you know what it looks like afterwards. But, yeah, disgusting. We got some World War II paper money here. And then I got a Barry Bonds rookie card. Yeah, if I can get the glare off of there. There we go. 8.5 Beckett graded. It's not worth a lot of money. It's worth like maybe $15 or so. But, and then we got some, what are these called again?
Glass insulators.
Yeah, glass insulators.
Yep.
That's about it. So, I'm going to take my disgusting Wii and go start testing this stuff. First, I'm going to clean it thoroughly. Then I'm going to test it. So, I mean, this is just like, look at this. That's just disgusting. That was gray at one point in its life. Seriously.
Ew.
Quit smoking.
It's brown.
Please, quit smoking.
Get healthy, kids.
Yeah, we're going to go ahead and clean that up, and that's about it.
Yeah.
If you haven't yet already, subscribe to the channel. Really helps out the channel. And, you know, helps us produce great content like dirty Wii remotes. And, yeah, that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!